Where are you?
What?
Where'd you go?
Look to your left.
Oh god, am I dying? Better run. No!
Is there a massive
Help!
demon?
Yes. On the raise, I hear his footsteps.
Hmm?
I hear his footsteps, I don't know where he is. Oh my god. Hi. Oh no. Oh no. Oh dad. You should run.
What? Is he near me?
I'm running. How'd you get up there?
Go in the front. There's a little thing.
You made a little... Oh my god, no way. That's awesome. Ah! You scared the poopy out of me.
It just got really dark.
Yeah.
What's up with that? Oh, is it just turning night?
Yes.
Alright.
It's so dark. I think something's here, but there's so much snow and darkness I can't see anything.
It's Jurassic Park.
We're in Jurassic Park.
See something?
Oh, oh, Dad,
Yes.
Dad, Hero O'Brien
Dude.
is here.
I see him.
Oh,
Whoa! Dude! Did you see that?
don't look at his eyes.
Tell me you saw that.
He
I
disappeared.
looked up at him. No, I looked up at him. He teleported all the way to me and hit me from the top of the roof.
That's why you don't look at his eyes. He does that. So I just changed the percent from Hero O'Brien spawning from 8 to 30.
Ooh.
Alright. I think we should go mining. We need diamond armor and stuff, because I kind of want to get more, like, strong.
Alright. Yeah, that'll give us something to do. We have 5 pieces of diamond.
Yeah, but we need way
Should we
more to
make
get armor. I'm
Yeah,
going
'cause
to
I'm gonna
bed.
do a diamond pickaxe. What?
I'm going to bed.
Shit. just got stuck in a hole. Damn it.
I'll just kill you so you go to your bed.
Hold on.
Did I kill you right before? Oh, it's daytime. How are you?
So I'm gonna make some
Dead.
What?
Hey, get away from our property! Ooh. All right, so
Wellington. I'm making some pickaxes and then I'll be ready.
There's two. But you're have to be getting
Two
me
what?
there. Hold up. Hold up. There's two. Okay. Hold it. We can talk about this. We can talk about this. Hey, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
Run.
Whoa!
We're coming in! Oh! Oh, he's coming!
Still coming.
Not again! No! Run!
Oh, shh. Ah, he's hit me!
Come on, come in here! Come in here! Come in here! Oh, okay. No! Look at my sword.
I'm not running from this punk.
No, no, no.
If I had a
No,
diamond
no,
sword,
no, Dad,
kill
don't
him?
go near him. Don't go near him. Stop it. Dad, don't do that. Oh, my God. Don't do that. Run. What are you doing? Use your shield. Use your shield. Use your shield. He's not alive. On my tail. Oh my God. Oh.
Oh! Dude, I shot an arrow at him and he disappeared as soon as it hit him.
I think he died. Watch this. No!
It's not a cave.
Mhm.
Alright. Where are we gonna go? Are we gonna find
Behind the
another one,
house. We're gonna go behind the house to find a cave. Oh, we didn't get that one! We didn't get that one! Oh, God! Dad! Oh, God, Dad! I just left Dad!
I look over and I just see you hauling ass away from me as I'm getting killed. Whoa! Dude, I'm not underwater. Trapped underwater.
Oh!
Robin of Locksley.
Break out! Break out!
Yeah, sucks. You're on top of me now. Oh, you're going fast.
You saw. Oh, why'd you just? You know, I'll leave you behind. I'm on.
Tally ho.
Working night and gathering materials from the house until something in the forest pile was out, but it was probably just one of the local villagers. I could not find them later, though. Oh well.
Are you reading something?
Yeah, it's a book I found in the woods. I'm just gonna. No.
What?
Wait, it's on fire, so
Some fire?
I'm lighting up this cave on fire, so I can't get past. Feel safe now. Oh! Look.
Dude, you're always lucky by finding those
Yeah. You go left, I go right.
Light it up.
Yes, hold up.
Can you TP him when you get a chance?
My one just went to a dead end.
Damn. This is crazy. Ah!
No luck on anything yet. What about you?
Not really. My entrance went out to a ravine. Ah! He's killing me. Yeah. Stupid.
Ah! I'm on fire! I'm on fire! Watermelon farting. Help! 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 God help me! God help me! God help me! God help me! It's like laundry!
Yay. Another completed.
Ah!
I knew you were gonna do that. Come on, Neil. Tell me, Waffle.
You like looked at me like I know what you're about to do. Oh, I forgot about the mine shaft.
Shit.
We're going back to the mines. But it's dark in here.
It's Wellington. Robert of Locksley strikes again.
Oh! Oh no! Oh god. Oh!
I hear something.
Okay.
It's Wellington.
Help!
Oh! Please. Oh my god, someone's down here for
You
me.
see him?
Someone's down here for me. Oh my god. I'm running. Wait. Okay. Running. I'm running far away. Grenade.
Bruh.
I'm cornered. I'm
The
making
snare is coming in.
Made it out alive, you know. And I didn't make it out. What? I made it out alive from the entity, but I might not soon. I might have a heart.
Half a heart?
Yeah, I need to somehow do something.
Oh dear.
Okay. Okay,
Huh?
it's fine. I need to get my health back up. I'm using rotten flesh. It's
You're
working.
eating
Though.
rotten flesh? Robert of Locksley.
Yo, I
Reach the
got
top.
I just got jump scared bad. Okay.
I
Where are
know, I
you?
heard.
Where are
I
you?
saw you jump.
Where
What?
are you? He came across a corner and killed me. Like I was afraid everything would happen. Where are you?
Up here, I'm making these snow towers.
Crazy as the snow towers. Now that I've done it, now you're going crazy.
I like them.
I am the king of the mountain.
Oh.
No! You better get up here. Get up here then.
Yep.
How dare you say that?
Can you? Did you kill me?
What the hell?
Said I died from falling from a high place, but I was on the ground.
Help. He's here! I'm gonna go on a food adventure. What do you mean he's
Probably a
watching?
good idea.
He's watching? I found
Uh,
piggies. I found piggies.
hey?
Oh, piggies. Piggies. No, let me kill this piggy. Let me kill this piggy before you kill me. Let me kill this piggy. No, I didn't even look at you. I didn't even look at you. Oh god.
Did the pig kill?
No. I'm being chased. He's climbing through the house! Oh my god, there's a raid? What the hell? There's a raid. What the hell is going on? There's a raid at, going at that village over there. What have I done? I've just killed the lives of
started a
innocent.
war.
I started a war.
Started
The War of 67. We need to get here fast. The war, the raid. The raid has happened. Or should I help the raiders?
Let them perish.
Look, the raiders are all died.
Completed my mission. I shall be back soon. Started a war. Ran out.
Plow, plow.
So, this thing is
Bring
so
it on.
high up.
Bring it on, raiders. They're over here.
They rob out of blocks. Like,
What the hell is this? We're fighting. How?
Oh, no. You see me?
Are you near the
I can
village?
even. Oh, never mind. I can barely even see our house. It's so far away and so dark. Krampus is near.
Raid 3. Bring it on! Here, the raid. Help.
Oh!
Use your shield. Yeah, they have bows. Oh, what is that? It's huge!
Whoa! Dude! Oh.
Dive in battle.
No, it broke my shield.